And in today's show, we're going to be discussing something that has been in the news quite a bit lately, which is unemployment. We're going to talk about unemployment laws. What do you need to qualify for unemployment benefits?
Absolutely. It turns out that a lot of people who are eligible for unemployment don't apply for unemployment because there's certain myths that they are under. One of the myths is that if you've been fired, that you can't get unemployment. Another myth is that if you resigned, you can't get unemployment. The presumption in the law in the state of Georgia is that the employee, if they've been discharged, is that they are to get their unemployment unless they did something that would cause them not to be, for good cause, to be entitled to it.
Exactly who qualifies for unemployment?
First, anybody who has lost their job through no fault of their own. That means whether you have been discharged or if you've quit your job.
Layoffs?
A layoff is, particularly if you have a separation notice from your employer stating that you were let go due to lack of work, that's an automatic qualification. You don't even have to go through an interview if you come in with a separation notice, the DOL 800 form saying lack of work, your benefits will be automatically approved. Now, if you've been discharged, a little more investigation will have to be done, and you'll go through a claims examiner's interview where you will be contacted by a claims examiner who will ask you, how did you lose your job? And you'll explain to them. Okay. The claims examiner will then contact the employer who will tell them their side.
Okay. We'll talk about the process in a second. So, but basically anybody who's discharged through no fault of their own, you know, whether it's a layoff or simply they shut down the company, is entitled.
That's correct.
Okay. What about people that quit their jobs? I think there's a little bit of a fight there.
Okay. First of all, it's not true that you can't get unemployment if you quit your job. It's just more complicated.
Don't miss Leyes Cotidianas every Sunday at 10 a.m. right here on PBA 30.